In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit your signature in DocuSign step by step. Whether you want to update your signature style, upload a new one, or simply make it look more professional, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Keeping your signature updated in DocuSign is important, especially if you use it frequently for contracts, agreements, or official documents. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon appears. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage Profile. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control your personal information, security settings, and of course, your saved signatures. Once you're on the profile settings page, look for the option labeled Signatures. Click on Signatures to open the Signature Management section. This is where DocuSign stores your existing signatures and initials. If you want to edit or replace your current signature, click on Add Signature. Even if you already have one saved, adding a new signature will allow you to update and replace the old version. After clicking Add Signature, you'll see different options for creating your new signature. First, click on Choose to select the signature creation method. DocuSign gives you multiple ways to create or update your signature depending on your preference. If you prefer drawing your signature directly, click on Draw. This option allows you to use your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen to manually draw your signature. Take your time and try to make it look as close to your real signature as possible. If you don't like how it looks, you can simply clear it and draw again until you're satisfied. If you already have a scanned image of your signature saved on your computer, click on Upload instead. This option lets you upload a PNG, JPEG, or other supported image file of your handwritten signature. Make sure the image is clear, well-cropped, and has a transparent or clean background for the most professional result. After choosing either Draw or Upload and finalizing your signature, click on Create. DocuSign will now save this new signature to your account. From this point forward, this will be the signature you can use when signing documents. If you had an older signature saved, the newly created one can now be selected as your default. This ensures that every time you sign a document, the updated signature appears automatically. And that's it. That's how you edit your signature in DocuSign quickly and easily. As you can see, the entire process only takes a few minutes, and keeping your signature updated ensures your documents always look professional and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.